Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious habanero salsa. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 bright orange habanero peppers for that signature kick, along with 2 ripe, red tomatoes and 1 small, crisp white onion. Don't forget 2 cloves of aromatic garlic and a small bunch of fresh cilantro. Finally, have 1/2 cup of water and 1/2 teaspoon of salt on hand to perfect the flavor and consistency. Now, let's bring out the incredible flavors by roasting our ingredients. Place the habanero peppers, tomatoes, onion, and garlic directly onto a hot comal or a dry skillet. Turn them frequently with tongs until they are nicely softened and have a beautiful, slightly charred appearance. This crucial step adds a wonderful depth and a subtle smokiness to your salsa, transforming the raw flavors into something truly special. This process usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With our ingredients perfectly roasted, it's time to blend them into a fantastic salsa. Carefully transfer all the roasted habaneros, tomatoes, onion, and garlic into your blender. Now, add the 1/2 cup of water and the 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Blend everything until you achieve your preferred consistency. If you like a smoother salsa, blend for a bit longer. For a chunkier texture, blend for a shorter duration, ensuring some small pieces remain. It's all about your personal preference. Your incredible homemade habanero salsa is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully pour the vibrant salsa into a beautiful serving bowl. For an extra touch of freshness and visual appeal, you can garnish it with a few sprigs of fresh cilantro. This salsa is perfect served immediately with crispy tortilla chips or as a fiery accompaniment to tacos, quesadillas, or grilled meats. Store any remaining salsa in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.